Hello and welcome. I'm Mallory Cruz McGrath, Managing Editor here at Floor Covering Weekly, along with our Associate Editor, Morgan Bowman, and Assistant Web Editor, Ryan DeFalco. Thank you for entering the 2020 GreenStep Awards program and for spending time with us today, and congratulations to Genomatica for your GreenStep recognition. GreenStep has been honoring, recognizing, and celebrating the great efforts and investments the floor covering industry has been making to be sustainably smart for a dozen years now. I'd like to recognize and thank the GreenStep judges, which represent associations for each product category. We look to their deep understanding of each category to keep this program at the highest level. Today, we honor Genomatica as our practice process honoree. And we have with us today from Genomatica, Lisa Kennedy, Director of Business Development. And for practice process entry, it's really about how our process is transforming to adhere to better sustainable practices. It continues to be a cornerstone to environmental stories. As a leading biotechnology company, you developed a process to make 100% renewably sourced nylon from plants instead of crude oil, enabling 100% renewably sourced nylon fibers and carpets, which can improve the sustainability of not just one product line, but of many flooring products from many producers, multiplying this innovation's positive impact. This process notably ups the game for the industry, allowing producers to offer a clear and simple value proposition to their customers, especially as compared to current offerings that may only be partially renewably sourced. Congratulations on your first GreenStep Award and being this year's practice process honoree. Yay.
Thank you so much. We are very, very excited and honored to receive this award and to be recognized as one of the leaders in sustainability for the development of an innovation bioprocess for production of a precursor to nylon 6. So we're thrilled to be participating and now recognized as one of the GreenStep honorees. So thank you very much.
Excellent. Your plant-based process for making nylon is incredibly innovative. How did this development come about? And do you currently have partners that are utilizing this innovative process?
Well, conventional production of nylon 6 uses fossil fuels as feedstocks, and technology has virtually gone unchanged since its conception nearly 80 years ago. And while fermentation has been around for thousands of years to make essential products such as beer, wine, using fermentation to create everyday building blocks that are used for make products is a recent innovation. And at Genomatica, we engineer microbes to efficiently convert carbon into these building blocks to go into everyday products. We also develop downstream processes to ensure that the quality of the final product meets industry specification. And Genomatica's 100% renewably sourced nylon is made possible by fermentation of plant-based materials like starches, making end products even more sustainable. And earlier this year, in January 2020, Genomatica announced alongside its partner Aquafil that we've produced the world's first renewably sourced ton of the chemical intermediate to nylon 6, which was a major milestone in the scale-up process. So this journey continues, and we're excited to also, hopefully in the future, announce additional partners within this journey of bio-nylon.
Fantastic. Now, does Genomatica see potential for a similar process to be used in the hard surface flooring arena?
Yeah, absolutely. Our bio-based butane dial, this is actually another process that Genomatica had developed. So for short, we call it BDO. It certainly can be used as an ingredient in coatings for hard surface flooring purposes. So for example, products that use coatings, use this bio-BDO as an ingredient, and they can enjoy the same performance attributes with the same functional qualities that are already used in the market today. One of the real differences here in benefits is then that bio-based BDO can eliminate more than 50% of greenhouse gas emissions compared to the traditional means of producing butane dial from petroleum sources.
Fantastic. Now, what would you say that your process for making 100% renewably sourced nylon say about the roles that both technology and nature play in sustainability?
Yeah, I would say Genomatica's technology to make more sustainably sourced nylon really does start with nature. I mean, ultimately, the source of feedstock that we start with is sugar, which is found in plants and from a variety of different source options like corn, sugar beet, cassava. And we use a natural process of fermentation, which again, as I mentioned, has been around for thousands of years, which is also found in nature. And it also works in ambient natural temperatures. So we feel as though that is the starting point for our technology, really is nature. We use nature as a guide. And I believe that technology is a tool that allows us to continue to innovate. And bridging these two together really allows for sustainable solutions for the marketplace.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and congratulations again on your GreenStep win. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure. Hope to be back soon.
Yes, us too.